This is the DeLonghi ECP 3321. We are going to see how to make the modification to install the Rancilio Silvia steam wand, replacing the original one, this one, because the original produces macro foam, and we want to have something similar to what is done at the bar, and so we'll do the modification. First thing, I removed all the pieces, like the little tray for the water and the water tank. And after this, I'm gonna screw and open the machine. This is the steam one that we want to install. This is the original one to replace. First step, I remove the 2 screws from the top, so 1 and 2. Second step, I lift the switch and I remove it. Then I remove also the side switch. I remove the 2 screws from the front, so 1 and 2. So the key part here is just to put a screwdriver on the sides on this panel and remove it. As you can see here, you can access to the components that we want to replace. Then we have to remove 2 screws, 1 and 2, and then we can remove the top. So I remove the 2 screws. Beside, you have to put a screwdriver inside the 2 holes, and then finally you can open the panel and access to the piece that we are going to change. So I have to remove also the additional screws to remove the extension. So it will be 1, 2, 3 and 4 to lift it up. And this should be the last screw to remove, to lift. This is the 5th screw. This is the last piece to remove, lift it up. This goes with the back, and then finally we can remove our tool. So we remove the plastic like this. Okay, and now we'll put this back. So I remove the unnecessary pieces like this. Then we remove the grabber, and now I'm putting back in place our piece. Okay, so now we put back in place the missing pieces of the wand, and we will be almost ready for the final assembly. I put the clip back in place, at least our piece remains steady. Now I'm putting back the last screw. We have 5 on top. So this is the number 1. Then we have 2 here, 3, 4 and 5 there. And this is how looks like the final installation, and as you can see, this is free to move.